Today's my new video. It is 6/22/26, the standard disclaimer, and let's get to it. First slide I want to show there's three types of stock patterns for beginners. There's an uptrend where you're going from a higher high to a new higher low to a new higher low, and that trend goes up, hence the uptrend. Downtrends just the reverse. Lower highs, lower lows, and they keep moving. Downtrend. And the market that we really want to avoid is the choppy market where there's no clear direction. I have examples of each. So, for example, here is SanDisk recently. Clearly, you can see very nice uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, and they climb and climb and climb over months. That's excellent example of a uptrend. Here's what we want to avoid, Palantir, this year. No clear direction. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down, and there's just no clear trend in terms of what we want to get into. So we avoid this at all costs. We just want an uptrend or a clear downtrend. And here is Nike falling, lower lows, over and over and over, lower lows, and they just keep going lower and lower and lower over the period of the year. So we want to avoid this. So I just want to touch base on one thing I'm looking at closely. So I mentioned that there are several stocks I'm watching, and I gave a select few on Sunday. But I'm also watching this, the SPY-Fs of today. You can see that we're kind of range bound. We're getting kind of choppy again. And what we're doing is the red area with the red bar is the resistance level. You can see how SPY is going up, hitting its head and coming down to the support level and bouncing around here. So for right now, I'm watching this closely to see if SPY is going to go above the resistance and break through and show a new higher high, or is it going to break through support and start new lower lows? So I'm watching this closely. So I'm not getting too hot and heavy into too many stocks right now. I'll put in a small position here, a small position here. I really want to see how SPY and QQQ and some of the other indexes are moving and make a strong movement in one way or the other. You can see here with the dark square box that we're kind of range bound right now, just bumping between the support and resistance. So that's one thing that I'm watching currently, and I'm really watching for either the price action goes through the resistance and wants to create higher highs, or breaks through the support on the bottom and starts creating lower lows. In either case, I will react accordingly. And so that's one thing I'm looking at. I just wanted to make sure that everybody understood that when the market starts getting range bound like this, it's trying to determine which way it's going to go. There's a constant fight between buyers and sellers, and that's what we're waiting for, some kind of movement in a clear direction.